50 degrees temperature and above. And also it is only desert. Today we are all proud they made heaven to live. And also we can make it very proudly, I can say, most livable place. That is how they created. As a logistics hub, not one area, you can name anything, they are number one now. Another thing, for the last 3 decades I am working with Dubai and UAE. I am seeing their progress. Same way, Hyderabad also I started. They started Internet City. I started high-tech city. We promoted different areas, they promoted different areas. The way they market, the way they execute, amazing experience. Vision is one and execution is another. I really appreciate UAE and also Dubai. They are doing extremely well. Just now, His Excellency, Honorable Minister has made very clearly, 2021, all of us are afraid of Corona. Then UAE has gone differently. Even crisis is an opportunity. Their dystopia has come to picture. They are working in that. What Minister has rightly mentioned, I am very impressed. Do things differently, not routinely. That is where new things, every day if you do, you can reach new heights. I really appreciate him. Vision is very clear, very, very effective vision. Regarding to India and also UAE, we are having very good relations. UAE, if you can see, around 1.1 crore population. 40% are Indians. Nearly 38% in UAE are Indians. We are contributing for UAE growth. I really appreciate this gesture also. And also you are providing opportunities for Indians in UAE. Even government of His Excellency and delegates, you are all aware, you are all very shrewd business people. Wherever opportunities are available, entrepreneurs will move that place. I am assuring you, India is one place. Nobody can ignore. If you see here, after India started economic reforms late, that is 1991. 95, technology revolution has come. We have taken first more advantage. Today, we had another advantage, demographic dividend. It is a windfall gain for us. No other country is having this advantage. Only other countries are suffering aging problem, where India is having advantage of demographic dividend. It will continue another 20-25 years. If you plan population management, nobody can beat India in the near future. Hundreds of years, India's era. We are very fortunate, again, right time, right leader, at right place. That is our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He is very strong leader. With all these things, India is having very good advantage with the UAE, and also your agreements we have seen as on today. Last year 24-25, $100 billion US trade between India and UAE. Even Andhra Pradesh very small amount, 1.45 billion US dollars, 12,500 crores. Here I wanted to mention we have prepared an ambitious plan. It is possible. We are all in inspiring time. Around 1999-2000, I prepared vision for Andhra Pradesh. That was combined state of Andhra Pradesh, Vision 2020. Today, all my vision has become a reality. Anyway, Honorable His Excellency is going tomorrow to Hyderabad. That was part of my vision. I developed there. You name anything today. Most livable city in the country is Hyderabad. That was planned from 1995 onwards. Even MR is also there, and so many people have contributed for that great city. Now we are planning, Government of India, Narendra Modi garu is planning Vikasit Bharat 2047. As on today, we are fourth largest economy. For the last 10 years, from 11th place, we are able to reach 4th place. By 27-28, we are going to reach third largest economy in the world. I am assuring you, India is going to become developed nation. Our aim is to become number one economy in the world by 2047. That is our mission, that is our vision. We are working in that direction. Today, again I am telling you, we are inspiring time. I have seen technology. I promoted mid-1990s, that is 95 onwards, information technology. Now, 25 years time, the impact of public policy, if you can go through, all over the world, every 4 IT professionals, 1 is from India. Among Indians, out of 4, more than 1 or 2, more or less equally from Andhra Pradesh, from Telugu community. Today I can say proudly within 25 years, if you go to any country in the world, highest per capita income earners are Indians. Among Indians, 33% are from Telugu community in my state. That is the power of public policy. Now I am talking artificial intelligence and also quantum valley, quantum computing. First time in India we are establishing quantum computing, IBM, TCS, L&T. Already we have come to an understanding. By 1st January 2026, quantum computing is going to operate from